2023 Munich Motor Show, also known as IAA Mobility, was an absolute blockbuster event. This event took the heart of Bavaria and transformed it into a playground for all things automotive, complete with guest speakers, dazzling displays, and even the chance to hop behind the wheel for a test drive. It was a gearhead's dream come true. But what really stole the spotlight were the mind-blowing car reveals. We're talking world debuts of cutting-edge production cars and mind-boggling concepts, with a special emphasis on electric vehicles and futuristic tech. From Toyota to BMW, Audi, and other bigwigs in the industry, these car makers brought the latest offerings from your factories to the show, and the world was wowed. Ready to catch all the updates from the Munich Motor Show? Keep watching this video. We are starting with our favorite Japanese brand, Toyota. Toyota is turning heads with its brand new Century SUV, taking on heavyweights like the Rolls Royce Cullinan and the Bentley Bentayga. So feast your eyes on the all-new Toyota Century. While you might remember the Century as a V12 luxury saloon back in the late 90s, Toyota has given it a modern twist by transforming it into a stunning SUV. It's a bold move, and it's ready to go head-to-head with some of the most prestigious SUVs on the market. Under the hood, this beauty boasts a V6 plug-in hybrid engine, blending power and eco-friendliness. But here's the kicker. The new Century is an exclusive treat for Japan, where it comes with a price tag of around £135,000. Now, let's talk about the design of the new Toyota Century SUV. It's an absolute stunner with an aura of sheer dominance. Some might say it looks like it rolled right out of a Grand Theft Auto game, reminiscent of the Bentley Bentayga. Up front, you can't miss those sleek C-shaped LED headlights that give it an unmistakable presence. The grille, surprisingly subtle for a flagship SUV, adds to its charm, and that touch of silver trim around the bumper? Well, it just elevates the whole front-end look. And that silver trim doesn't stop there. It gracefully extends to the bottom of the doors, creating a seamless design flow. Plus, there's no shortage of chrome trim around the windows, adding a touch of luxury. Now, let's move to the back. The rear lights mirror the captivating shape of the ones up front, maintaining that harmonious design. And yes, you guessed it, that stylish silver finish continues on the lower bumper, completing the package. The attention to detail here is truly impressive. Now, let's step inside the new Toyota Century and explore its lavish interior, shall we? The dashboard here boasts a sleek and clean design with a strong emphasis on user-friendliness. You'll find physical buttons for all the essential functions, making it a breeze to navigate. And to up the luxury quotient, the interior is generously swathed in leather, ensuring that it looks and feels like a true masterpiece. But here's where the Century truly shines. It's designed with rear seat passengers in mind. Picture this, 2 sumptuous individual armchairs in the back, perfect for those who prefer to be chauffeured in style. And to sweeten the deal, there's a fridge nestled between the seats, ready to keep your champagne perfectly chilled for those special moments. To keep the rear passengers entertained and in control, there are screens right in front of each of them. Want to adjust your seat, tweak the audio, or set the mood with ambient lighting? No problem. There are 2 smaller touchpads at your fingertips, giving you all the control you need while you relax in a lap of luxury. The new Toyota Century is truly a masterpiece of design, comfort, and functionality, making it an exceptional choice for those who appreciate the finer things in life, especially when they're in the back seat. Now, let's pop the hood and take a look at what's powering the new Toyota Century. While it may not have the roaring V12 engine that graced the original Century saloon, it's taken a more eco-conscious route. Underneath, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system, which aligns with modern emission regulations and environmental considerations. While Toyota has kept the exact performance and power figures a bit of a mystery, here's an exciting tidbit. The electric motor sits snugly at the rear wheels, giving the Century all-wheel drive capabilities. This means it's ready to conquer various terrains and weather conditions with ease. But there's more. The Century also boasts rear-wheel steering, a nifty feature that enhances its maneuverability. So even though it may not roar like its predecessor, it's got the technology to make every drive smooth, efficient, and enjoyable. If you're eyeing this exquisite piece of Japanese luxury, here's the scoop on the price and availability. Unfortunately, the new Toyota Century is exclusively available in Japan, adding to its allure as a unique gem. To make it yours, you'll be looking at a price tag of approximately £135,000. So if you're in Japan and ready to indulge in this luxury SUV, keep an eye out for its release date and be prepared for a truly exceptional experience on the road. Now, let's shift our focus from Toyota to one of the standout automakers that made waves at the Munich Motor Show. Audi brought some electrifying excitement to the event, even though the full reveal of the new Audi Q6 e-tron was kept under wraps. What they did treat us to was a sneak peek inside this eagerly anticipated all-electric SUV. And let us tell you, it's a tech lover's dream. The interior is an absolute marvel, boasting a state-of-the-art cabin that's loaded with innovation. Picture this, not 1, not 2, but 3 screens to elevate your driving experience. Plus, there's a passenger-specific screen that's perfect for watching movies on the go without causing any distractions for the driver. But that's not all. Audi didn't stop at screens. They've also introduced an augmented reality heads-up display, which promises to take your driving to the next level. And to top it all off, there's a redesigned infotainment system powered by Android Automotive, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on every journey. So while we didn't get the full Q6 e-tron reveal, Audi left us with a taste of what's to come, and it's nothing short of impressive. Up next, let's dive into the BMW corner at the Munich Motor Show. And folks, they had some exciting reveals. First up, if you've been curious about what the next BMW 3 Series will look like, the brand dropped some major hints with the launch of the Vision New Class concept. BMW CEO Oliver Zipse hinted that this concept is pretty darn close to standard production and will be hitting the roads before you know it. However, if you're holding out for the all-electric alternative to the 3 Series, you might need to be patient until around 2025. But here's where it gets really interesting. BMW showcased their round cell battery technology in the New Class concept. They claim it offers a whopping 20% improvement in energy density, a 30% increase in range, and a 30% boost in charging speed. That's some serious innovation right there. And that's not all, folks. The new 5 Series also made a grand appearance, and it brought a friend, the all-electric i5 variant. This marks a significant moment because it's the first time we've witnessed pure electric power in a 5 Series. Both of these beauties are set to hit the market in October, and if you're a fan of the Touring Estate, you're in for a treat because those are expected to join the lineup in 2024. So, BMW had a lot to offer at the Munich Motor Show, from tantalizing concept cars to electrifying advancements. And from there, let's shift our focus to the all-electric car maker BYD and their exciting news at the Munich Motor Show. BYD recently made waves by announcing that their CLU model will be making its way to Europe. And guess what? It had its European debut right here in Munich. The CLU is a mid-size SUV that's ready to take on heavyweights like the Volkswagen ID.4 and the Tesla Model Y. Competition in the electric SUV market is heating up, and BYD is stepping into the ring with some serious contenders. But that's not all that BYD had in store for us. They also showcased the new Dolphin and the regular Seal models, adding even more electric options to their lineup. Now, here's an interesting twist. BYD listened to customer feedback in Europe and decided to make a change. They decided to drop the controversial "Build Your Dream" slogan from their cars. But fear not, it's not completely gone. You'll still find it proudly displayed on the boot of the new entry-level Dolphin. So, BYD is making big moves in the European market, offering compelling electric choices and responding to the preferences of their customers. Stay tuned for more exciting developments from BYD in the world of electric mobility. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the fantastic world of automotive innovation at the Munich Motor Show. From the luxurious Toyota Century SUV to Audi's tech-laden sneak peek, BMW's electrifying lineup, and even BYD's bold entrance into the European market, it's clear that the future of driving is looking brighter than ever. If you enjoyed this journey through the Munich Motor Show, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates in the world of automobiles. And hey, if you have any questions or want more details about any of these incredible cars, drop a comment below and we'll be sure to get back to you.